For those of you, after the SIMP, if your income increased, you are happy. Okay? When your income is decreased, you had a problem. Am I right? It decreased. Remember, this is a happy problem. This is a happy problem because we have restructured everything. We have pointed to a clearer direction. You know, every day you are drinking coffee. You ask 6 people to drink coffee. You will become diamond. They ask 6 people to drink coffee. They also become diamond. Then our income will progress all the way down. What is the limit of our income? Sky is the limit. So I hope all of you can understand the culture of DXN. Okay? If you find that when we push the SIMP, we are doing something different for other MIM company, remember, we lead.